Imagine a future where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, but a companion, a collaborator, a co-creator. What does that future look like? Let's journey back to the genesis of artificial intelligence, a concept that originated from the human desire to replicate our own intelligence. Over the years, this concept has grown, evolved, and has been reshaped by technological advancements. Now, let's fast forward to the present day, where we stand on the brink of a new era, an era marked by the recent development of ChatGPT-6. This isn't just another iteration in the long line of AI advancements. No, ChatGPT-6 represents a significant leap forward. It's like the difference between a horse-drawn carriage and a race car. It's not simply faster or more efficient, it's a whole new level of interaction and understanding. This isn't science fiction, it's science fact. Welcome to the era of ChatGPT-6. ChatGPT-6 is not your ordinary chatbot, it's a game changer. Imagine a world where technology not only understands your words, but also grasps the nuances and context of your conversations. That's what ChatGPT-6 brings to the table. It's an artificial intelligence model that can generate human-like text, responding to your queries and learning from its interactions. But it's not just about conversations. ChatGPT-6 is a powerhouse of potential, designed to revolutionize myriad industries and professions. From customer service to content creation, education to entertainment, this advanced AI can redefine how we interact with technology and each other. It's not just a tool that we use, it's a partner that collaborates with us, helping us navigate an increasingly digital world. ChatGPT-6 is an AI model that's not just learning from us, but also learning with us. ChatGPT-6 is not just a tool, it's a partner, ready to take on the world with us. So, what does a world with ChatGPT-6 look like? Picture this: a future where education is transformed with ChatGPT-6 as your personal tutor, available around the clock, answering your questions instantly, making learning a breeze. Imagine healthcare, where ChatGPT-6 aids doctors, providing them with accurate medical information at lightning speed, revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment plans. Envision a world of entertainment where ChatGPT-6 creates scripts for movies, TV shows, and video games, crafting stories that keep us on the edge of our seats. And let's not forget about our day-to-day lives. ChatGPT-6 could become our personal assistant, scheduling our meetings, reminding us of important dates, and even offering us advice when we need it. It's a future where our lives become easier, more efficient, and yes, even more exciting. ChatGPT-6 is not just shaping our future, it's reshaping our present. So we've delved into the world of ChatGPT-6, but what are the key takeaways? ChatGPT-6 is not just your run-of-the-mill artificial intelligence. It's a quantum leap forward in the realm of AI. It's the culmination of relentless innovation, promising a future where technology and human interaction blend seamlessly. Its capabilities are mind-boggling. It can comprehend, learn, and mimic human language like never before. It's not just about answering queries, it's about understanding context, sentiment, and even humor. Imagine a world where your digital assistant doesn't just follow commands, but understands and anticipates your needs. Imagine the potential impact on sectors like customer service, education, healthcare, and more. It's a game changer, a true revolution. Yes, there are challenges ahead. There are ethical considerations, questions about data privacy, and the need for robust regulations. But the potential benefits are immense. The future of AI is here, and its name is ChatGPT-6. Are you ready to embrace it?